Here is my mock-up of a steering gearbox, coupler, steering shaft, and steering wheel. I have modified the steering coupler. Well, not modified it. I fixed a malfunctioning steering coupler by squirting some rubber Bondo down inside the unit. Here's the stuff that I used. This Bondo bumper and flexible part repair. I used that to when I did the bumper tuck by cutting the side rubber bumpers in half and then cutting out about 2 inches, then gluing it all back together and sanding it. But here is what the coupler looks like. What I did was I used a little coat hanger and I pushed the Bondo down inside the coupler and let it dry. It hardened like a rubber. Of course, here's my steering box from a 1981 380 SL steering shaft, steering wheel, before I put the Bondo down inside the coupler, it would click. Now it's tight. Just sort of wondering how long this thing will function properly. Now, what I'm thinking about doing is on this car, a 560 SL, going ahead and getting some kind of a long straw with a suction cup on the other end, and then put the Bondo on a piece of board, mix it up, suck a little bit into the straw, and then taking the straw and sort of squeeze it down into the coupler where it malfunctions. So like this. I'm sort of wondering if this is a easier way to deal with a loose steering coupler. Anyway, that's what I have planned to do.